Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my kitchen once again. So, I just wanted to share a quick little recipe. This is for all you busy folks out there. Say if you come home from work, got about half an hour, whatever. Um, this is actually a very good recipe. It's very low calorie, very low carbohydrates. Keeps you full. When I discussed in my meal preps last night about convenience and everything, so if you cook anything extra for your meal preps, whether it's your proteins, your carbs, or your rice, you can actually freeze it. Make sure you get good quality Ziploc bags. So I individually packed all my zucchini, and for me, it's all portioned and weighed out because I'm very strategic about my food portions. Not really so much with the veggies, but for sure when it comes to carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. But this is about what did I don't recall what I did with this, but I think it's 80 grams of zucchini. So in the pan, I've got 4 egg whites and 1 whole egg. So you got some healthy fats. So that's the thing. When it comes to macros, like carbs and fats, if you're going to drop one, you can increase the other. For example, if your carbs are low, put some healthy fats in there. If your fats are high, you drop the carbs. But like I said, I'm always going to emphasize the fact that I'm prioritizing protein. And last night too, when I was doing my proteins, I have a little bit of extra lean ground chicken left over. So I'm going to add that to the meal. And you guys will see my video tonight when it drops at 5 o'clock. I talked about like sauces and condiments that are really good for you, low calorie, like your Dijon mustards. Just watch the ingredients. Yellow mustard, and of course this, you can get it at Metro. G. Hughes, great line of products, like awesome sauces. Just be careful. There's some that are, try to opt for the sugar-free. But man, the flavor is, like my favorite is the original, and then I got the hickory smoked. This might seem like a weird little concoction, but when you start layering and building flavors, it's actually really good. Like, for example, I've done a chicken and rice bowl, and I've put blueberries in there with peanut butter and pink salt. Yeah, I know it's weird, but I'm telling you guys, it's actually really good. We call that prep brain when you're really restricted to certain foods. But I like to be creative, especially when, like I said, I don't want to make my meals boring. And that's one thing I want to teach clients when I'm coaching people. Like, the creativity is there when you start thinking of these ideas. It's like, oh, what if I put this with this? So I'm just gonna heat the ground chicken in the pan. Like I said, this combination, you've got 1 whole egg, 4 egg whites, ground chicken, and zucchini, and a little bit of hickory smoked barbecue sauce, sugar-free. So we're gonna plate this momentarily. So I started cooking the eggs, and then 30 seconds in, I dropped the chopped frozen zucchini in there. I'll show you guys my freezer. It's relatively organized, but just to give you an example about like how to strategically have extras on the go and on hand. Actually, I'm going to shut this off because it'll stay somewhat. So just to give you guys an idea here. So I've got all the bags sealed, all strategically nice, all weighed out, pre-packaged. Your spinach, you take them out. You want to put them in a bowl of cold water so that they can thaw slowly and naturally. And yeah, that's about it. Stock your freezer full of frozen veggies and fruits, by the way. So here we are. Look at that. I had this done in what? Under 5 minutes. So like I said, if you're busy on the run, this is a simple, quick, and easy recipe. Look at me making a little mess here. And then just a little pinch of pink salt. And we're going to do a little black pepper. And a little dollop of the barbecue sauce. Boom, done. Look at that. Eggs, ground chicken, zucchini, low carb. If you're into the keto, that's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Lots of great more recipes and tips, and I'm here to help you guys out with whatever you need.